Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out this 40-inch mechanic creeper from Bestool. Seller sent me this to check out. This product features a low profile design with improved casters that includes center shaft sleeves and dust covers to prevent deformation. The wheels are both removable and replaceable. Double-ended LED lights for working in dark areas, plus a magnetic end to help retrieve small screws and metal parts. Ergonomic Comfort, the blow molded plastic frame, built-in shoulder recesses to reduce muscle strain, and a soft padded headrest for extended use. Designed with dual-sided tool trays, allowing for quick access to necessary equipment while positioned under a vehicle. Supports up to 200 pounds and is suitable for use under cars, trucks, SUVs, and vans. So if you're looking for a well-designed mechanic creeper with a convenient LED light and a magnet on the other end to retrieve small screws and metal parts, check this one out.